Hey YouTube, check out my ramp. Made a concrete ramp for the back of the Tundra where I can easily get my four-wheeler in with the snowplow on it. Rather than steep ramps, this is a nice gradual transition from the yard to the back of the pickup truck. So about 2,000 pounds of concrete hand mixed. Turned out pretty well. So little project I've been just wanting to do, and so that's what I did. I just figured I'm not finished. I want to still stucco around the sides of it, but worked out pretty good. So just thought I'd give you a little update on how that turned out. So this winter I can take my four-wheeler and bring it right into the back of the truck, just back it in, take this box out of the way, and I can get my snow plow out more or less the back of the truck, but it will work good, so I won't have a problem getting up steep ramps. This is a nice gradual transition. So anyway, just wanted to give you an update on the ramp. So far so good. Tundra Pro, maybe next one, but right now it's just a TRD off-road. Stop recording.